In today's video, I was using my P320 that I've rattle canned. Has the original Romeo 1 optic on it. Never had a problem with it. Love it. I decided to shoot some today while it was cold outside. I don't know if you can see, but my hands are very red. The purpose of that was to see how my shooting was with pretty damn cold hands. You'll see in the video, or as you've seen in the video, it's not so hot. But yep, I need to get back into pistol shooting a little bit. I've been shooting the rifle a little bit too much, and as embarrassing as many misses I had in this video, it shows that you need to constantly be shooting your pistol as much as you can, especially if this is your everyday carry, which this one is mine. It's a pretty good skill, but it's a perishable skill. So you know, I just want to go out here and try some in the cold and slip around and mess up my steps a lot and see what it was like. So hope you enjoyed.